Haven't made a video in a long time, but today we'll be making one. I'm gonna change the color of my valve cover, and I'm also gonna change this cam seal. I'm pretty sure it's the cam seal which is leaking oil. It's not big, but you know, I want to be sure. I don't know, I just might clean it right now, clean that area up, and then check again where that oil is coming from, so I can know exactly what I need to change. But if anything, I already have that gasket. So yeah, I'll just go through the video with you guys. So we took off the valve cover, and now I'm gonna scuff it up with some sandpaper, and I'm gonna try to polish these letters, like make them look really good and shiny, and then I'm gonna mask them off, show you how to do it, or how I'm going to do it. But yeah, I'm gonna just use some normal sandpaper, and I got that, but I don't know if I'm gonna use it. So yeah. Okay, we just hit the valve cover with some 80 grit. I don't know what this means. I'm guessing it's 80 plus grit. I don't know, but we hit it. It's difficult to get in here, so I would recommend using the aircraft paint removal spray thing. I just don't have any right now, and my drill is charging, so once it's charged, we're just gonna hit it with the wire wheel. But meanwhile, we're gonna go up to, I don't know, let's see, some 400 grit, whatever. Hit that, and then we're gonna use a wire wheel we're just waiting on it to just charge a little bit so we can use it, because by hand it's taking way too long. And if you have that spray, the aircraft removal, use that. I recommend it because I've used it before and it was really good. It made the job really easy, so I recommend that. Nonetheless, you can still do this by hand. It's just gonna be way much more tedious. So keep you guys updated. To be honest. Oh yes, sir. God. Oh my God. After hitting it with like 3 different type of wire brushes, I think it's good enough that we can just clean it up with some brake cleaner, hit it with some primer. I'm pretty sure that'll be good enough right there. Looks good. So back again here prepping. I just sprayed this down with some brake cleaner just to take off the oils and stuff like that. So I'm gonna lay down some tape and cut on these edges to prep everything, you know, before painting places I don't want to paint. Yeah, I'll record after I'm done. Just got done masking it up. On these little ones, I just traced the quarter, cut it out with the razor, and boom, you know. And these are just, you know, simple tape around it, and that's it. Doesn't really matter because the valve cover has this like plastic cover here, or you won't even see this inside part, but you know, it's okay. I just did a third and final coat. It's looking really good. On the can it has to do really wet, like thick passes, so that's exactly what I did. You know, I just gave it really thick coats. I think it's gonna look really good. I'm gonna give it another 6 minutes with the heat gun. Heat it up, and then after that I'm gonna let it dry for, I don't know, 2 hours, and then take off all the tape, and I'll show you guys the wrinkle effect at the end. I think it's gonna look great. I just heated up the valve cover for like 10 minutes. Oh, and before that I gave it a 4th coat. I didn't record it, but I just gave it a 4th coat just cause. But you can see the wrinkle effect. It's looking really good. It looks really nice. I like how it came out. Yeah, it's really fresh. I actually like the letters like that. I don't know if I'm gonna file them down or not. Comment down below if you guys think we should just leave it like this or file it down, you know, with the silver effect on the valve cover. But yeah, this came out really nice. I like it. Now just gonna wait for a couple hours and then put it back on the car. Here's the final look. It's kind of wrinkled. It looks good in my opinion. I don't know what happened here, but it looks way much better than before. I'm pretty sure it's not dry completely, but I just put it on the car because I'll have to leave pretty soon, so I hope it dries on time. But yeah, yep, I'm happy with this result. I don't know what happened there, but it doesn't look too bad. Yeah, I still have to paint this, or I don't know, wrap it with like fake carbon fiber, vinyl wrap, I don't know. Do something with this part, change it up a little bit, take off the paint here from this ground. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Like, subscribe, and share.